Happy Women's Day. Women are very important for everyone. I encourage women to step up. Don't wait for someone to ask you. I am a woman. I'm proud to be a woman. Hi, this is Hema here. I'm working in St. Philomena Center School. I'm a kindergarten coordinator.
So what is this? Today we are celebrating the strength, determination and resilience of women everywhere. Yes, I am a woman. I am proud to be a woman. Hi, this is Rekha Ashok here, kindergarten teacher, St. Philomena Central School, CBSE.
1, 2, 3, 4. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then turn slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. A woman like a tea bag. You can tell how strong she is until you put her in hot water. Hi, this is Vrutati here. I am dance teacher of St. Philomena Central School, CBSE, and being a woman, I am proud of it.
It's okay to fall down and lose your spark, but just make sure that once you get back, you rise as a whole damn fire. Yes, being a woman, I'm very strong and I'm very proud. This is Jivita here. I'm admission counselor of St. Philomena Central School, CBSE.
The lamination of seed, what model Kukan has made? Seed. You have already learned, right? What is lamination, Kukan? This is a seed. There are some steps, yes? Success of a woman should be the inspiration for others. We should all aim higher and also we should raise each other up high. Moreover, we should be courageous, determined, focused and also be humble at the same time. Yes, I am a woman and I am also very proud. I am Arpita, Science teacher of St. Philomena Central School, CBSE.
Is a dash in size. Small. A mouse has dash that fixes the CPU. Wire. Very good. Do not leave someone else's life and someone else's idea of what womanhood is. Womanhood is you. I am a woman. I am proud of it. Hi, I am Navya here. I am teacher of St. Philomena Central School. 3 equal to 5. Very good. Combing 8 takes dash time.
Less.
3 tens and 6 ones.
36.
Don't think about making women fit the word. Think about making word fit the women. Yes, I am a woman. I am proud of it. This is Shada. I am a primary coordinator.
It should be a like fraction, yes or no? If it should be a like fractions, how will the numbers be fractions, numerator and denominator?
A woman in harmony with her spirit is like river flowing. She goes where she will without pretense and arrives at her destination prepared to be herself and herself only. Yes, I am a woman and I am proud to be a woman. This is Tejaswini, maths teacher of St. Philomena Central School, CBSE.
Amma, Akalu.
Iju. Ungura. Uta.
I am a woman. I get to define what that means. ನಾನು ಮಹಿಳೆಯಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ವನಜಾಕ್ಷಿ. ನಾನು ಸಂತ ಫಿಲೋಮೆನಾ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ.